Hi, good morning everyone. Nag-walking kami. Sus, use your shoulder action. Shoulder action. Kabiri easy.
I gotta fall down and go boom.
Na.
Why don't they fix this? Put a new road.
Yeah.
Oh, flowers. Exenia. This is called Exenia.
Dini santan.
Exenia.
Here in the Philippines, santan.
Exenia.
Yeah, we need to trim this one.
And yellow.
No, love, look at the property of my parents. A very lot of weeds.
We should go earlier. It's sun coming out now.
Ah, vitamin D.
Hot.
Bitter.
I need to go swimming in the ocean and get...
Tomorrow, mag-island happening ta.
Huh?
Tomorrow, ready ka pambot. Going to an island.
We're going back tomorrow?
No, island happening tomorrow. Going to the island.
Oh, okay.
You go first. Very pretty sa flower. Oh, we need to trim this one.
Yeah. A pretty flower.
Yeah. I have a baston. Paspas imo mula ka, lab. You're so very strong. Walking. Start kami walking sa walay karsada.
Where'd that go?
In the mud. Starting a walking in the small road. It's okay. Hinay-hinay lang, slowly. Yeah, this one, the cassava. You like a cassava? Root crop?
Cassava.
Yeah, this one. Love. This one is a cassava. White cassava, white root. The other one is yellow root. Oh, the castle in upstairs. You take a look. Oh. Sus, magkamutanaw. Love, oh, nipa.
Okay, I'm okay now.
A fruit of nipa. Did you see? Can make a kaong. Look at this one ba? Oh.
Yeah, I see.
Nipa.
Okay, now we're...
All the way kami paingon sa castle. Daw kasaba o skinny. It's not fat. Start nag-complain.
My new car. I can drive in my new car.
Starting nag-complain. Gusto bito niyo mag-walk di, walking dire. Saka na kami. Nagsaka na.
Climbing up the mountain. We're
Yeah.
getting higher and higher up the mountain.
Yeah. You like? Going up
Why don't they move
the mountain. Complain. You like a walking. No complain. You like a climb in the mountain. So this is it. This is it. Walking. Almost na to the top of the mountain. Going to the road. Hal.
Would you like to come here?